Good morning, children. How are you all today? I hope you must be fine, isn't it? So today we are going to learn one new topic, okay? And that topic is about your EVS. So, have you guessed the topic? Till now, you have learned good manners, isn't it? So today, you are going to learn about table manners. So our today's topic is table manners. So children, what do you mean by table manners? Table manners are the rules used while eating, which may also include the use of utensils. Each family has its own standards for how strictly these rules are to be used. Table manners helps us to know how to behave at the table. It is very useful to show our good manner in the table in front of the people. Using table manners shows the people that you are eating with that you are polite. Table manners prevent you from making too much of a mess. So, now let's learn about these table manners.
Hello friends! Today, let us learn about table manners. Wondering what it means? Let me tell you. Table manners is the way in which you must behave or do things while eating food on the table. There are a few table manners you must follow, be it your home, school, or a restaurant. Come, let us take a look at these manners. Friends, do you remember Tina? She is eating breakfast right now. Tina always sits up straight and sits quietly on the table while eating food. Do you also sit properly on the table just like Tina? I can see a napkin on Tina's lap. She always places a napkin on her lap while eating food. If you do not keep a napkin on your lap, food may fall on your dress and dirty it. I'm sure you don't want to dirty your dress while eating. So, remember to use a napkin while eating food. Look how Tina eats food. She always takes small bites of food. Do you also take small bites? Friends, it is very important to take small bites of food. If you take big bites of food, you won't be able to chew it properly. It will also be difficult for you to swallow the food. Will you remember to take small bites of food too? Now, look how Tina chews the food with her mouth closed. I hope you do the same. Chewing food with your mouth open is bad manners. So, you must always chew with your mouth closed. Friends, did you see how Tina wiped her mouth with a napkin? Wiping your mouth with a napkin while and after eating removes any food stuck around it. If food is not removed, germs will grow around your mouth and you will fall ill. Tina has just finished eating food. Look, her plate is empty. manners to leave food on your plate. Will you remember to finish your food? I am sure you will. Look, Tina has not spilled food while eating. The table is clean. You must also try not to spill food on the table or floor. Doing so will keep the table and floor clean and free from germs. Remember, if you have spilled or dropped food, tell your parents about it. Tina is a very good girl. She has good table manners. Will you also follow these table manners while eating food? I'm sure you will. Friends, I should leave now. Goodbye. See you again.
So children, have you all seen Tina? How she was behaving on the table? Yes, she was following all the table manners properly, isn't it? Okay, so let us revise all these table manners again from your book. Okay? So open page number 98. Yes, very good children. So can you see the first picture? Yes, it is telling about sit properly. That means you have to sit straight. Okay? Before starting the meal, you have to sit straight. Then the second picture, can you see that girl? Yes, that is telling about chew with your mouth closed. Yes, so you have to chew the bite with mouth closed, isn't it? Yes, then third picture, can you see that boy? That boy is wiping his mouth. After the meal, he is wiping his mouth. I know you have seen in the video that Tina was also wiping her mouth properly, isn't it? Yes. Then, what is the next picture? Yes, it is telling about take small bites. So, you have to take small bites, okay? Yes, that is also a good table manner. While eating, you have to take small bites. And the last one is finish your food. What you have to do? You have to finish your food as like Tina, isn't it? Yes, can you see that girl? Yes, she is happy because she has finished her food. That is also very important to finish the food, okay? Yes. So children, have you all understood all the table manners? And how to follow it? Yes, so come on, let's solve the exercise. Open page number 99 from your book number 3. We are going to solve the exercise. Okay? So children, have you all opened page number 99? Yes, the page number is written at the bottom right corner. Okay? Yes. So come on, let's begin. I am going to read the question. Circle the child who has good table manners. Okay? So what you have to do? You have to circle that child who is following the good table manners. Okay? So, in the first picture, that girl is eating. And in the another picture also, that girl is also eating. Isn't it? But in the first picture, that girl is eating the food by closing the mouth. Can you see her mouth is closed? Yes. And whereas in the another picture, that girl is chewing the food by opening the mouth. So, which is the good table manner among these? Yes, of course. Chew with your mouth closed. That is a good table manner. So, we have to circle this picture, isn't it? And this is a very bad manner, isn't it? Yes, now let's move to the another picture. Again here, This girl has finished her meal, isn't it? This girl has finished her food. Whereas, can you see this girl? This girl has not finished her food. And even this girl has spoiled the food. Is it a good table manner? No, you do not spoil the food in this manner, isn't it? That is a very bad habit. See how this girl has finished her food and even she has not spoiled the food, isn't it? So which is the good table manner? Yes, of course this is good table manner, isn't it? So again we have to circle this picture. In this way, we have done with the exercise, isn't it? So, I hope you must have understood table manners, isn't it? Yes, so bye for now. Your teacher will come back again.